Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your passcode and turn on stolen device protection on your any iPhone. So at first open your settings and provide full guide. Don't skip my video. Scroll down, press on Face ID and passcode. Enter your current passcode. Then you get this option. Scroll down and so look here. Now turn off my stolen device protection. Press on change passcode. Enter your current passcode and enter your new passcode. I'm just change, select 4 digit and enter passcode. Press on OK. Now successfully change this and press on, make sure to turn on and select the second option and overall setup. So that's it.